Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another project to show you. It's a fencing project. We have to fix some fence panels that just failed and also the post that just broke. So this is a repair work. The client doesn't want to change the whole thing, just to replace 3 panels that failed and also plants. So let me show you how what needs to be done for this project, and remember to subscribe, give us a like, and enjoy the video. Let me show you now what needs to be done. So guys, for this project, this is what needs to be done. You can see there 3 panels, fence panel that just fell. So we have to clear all this. Also clear those ivy plants alongside the fence. Clear all these bushes, and also you can see on just on the hole there, the ivy plant that started climbing the hole. So you have to clear all these too before installing the new fence panels. So let's get started. In demolition, the main tool is the hammer. So I'm going to use the hammer to take all this down, and then we're going to start working on fixing the poles. I was just changing gloves to get gardening gloves because it's more robust compared to the general use gloves. We're going to start putting things in the van to go and dispose them later to the recycle center. Guys, the work is progressing well at the moment, but I just want to show you briefly what I discovered on the other side of the fence when break all the fence panel. So this is always the case. When you are clearing bushes, you never know what you're going to find underneath. So let me show you around what I discovered on the other side. But because the other side is for the neighbor, we don't touch anything on the other side. We just walk where the client requires us to walk. So which is on this side. So guys, this is what we discover on the other side. If I zoom, we can see the rubbish over there. We won't touch any of those. We will just walk alongside the fence on the client side. And the house looks a bit abandoned. Yeah, this is just another day at work. We discover things. It has been clear, so we're going to tie it up here. Then we're going to start putting things in the bin. So let's clear first here. Okay guys, at this stage, everything has been cleared. Now we just now need to put this in the van. Go and dispose them later in the recycling center. And then we're going to start working on the fence. So what we did there is we just reference where we're gonna dig. So we need now to get the digger, and then we're gonna dig back up there. Stop poles are really nightmare to work with. So this is around 20 centimeters. And it took me about 20-25 minutes just to remove this. So it's very annoying. But this has been removed. We're gonna take the measurement to do the second post also, because the first one is attached against the hole. So the second, this is the first hole. We're going to do the second one. Now the posts are being secured to the hole. Now we're going to fix the first panel, and then fix the first post, and then dig the second post in terms of digging. So let's fix first panel. Screw that against the post we just fixed there. So before completing this, we're gonna dig first the second hole, and then when the second hole is ready, we concrete this, because sometimes we already make our line, so we know where we should be digging. So let's measure. We have a 50 centimeter deep. So last we install the second first panel, and we adjust it because there is a bit low compared to here because the land is climbing. So we fix the second panel, and then we'll adjust that with the post. That way you don't need to concrete this first, because you have to dig the second hole and then adjust everything together. So let's do the adjustment. You see what I was saying? So we can see here it's a bit high. So that means we need to lift the post a little bit to be 10 centimeters higher than the second fence panel. So we do it, and then we have, because it's climbing. So we're gonna just lift this post a little bit higher to be 10 centimeters, which is the reference of the first post against the hole, 10 centimeters higher than the first panel. Safety first. We put our ease protection. We cut our board, so we need to reproduce the over there. Hello guys, the project is now completed. I just want to show you around how everything looks now. this is what was done. We first cleared the bushes that was alongside the broken fence, and then we fix those 3 panels and post. Also the ivy plant that was against the hole was cleared, as you can see. Yeah, this is what was done today. They look very neat now. So thanks guys for watching the video. The project is now completed. This is what we fixed. 3 broken panels and post. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, and hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our videos. So thanks again for watching, and see you for the next one. Thanks.